Hi, I'm Bobby Fazy, attorney with Insight Law, and this topic is disability planning. The way we describe disability planning at Insight Law is when, who, what. When are you considered to be disabled? And when that happens, who's going to be in charge? And then what can they do? So most legal documents that I review, they say when two licensed physicians anywhere in the world say you're disabled, you're disabled. We don't like that approach. Our clients don't like that approach, and there's not a lot of control in that. So, and our clients really value control of their assets. So, instead, if they could have it their way, if you could have it your way, you would be the one saying, "I'm disabled at this point." Unfortunately, you can't make that call. So, the next best thing that we can allow you a permit to have is you can at least control how you give up control. And the when portion of that really dictates how that works. So we call it a disability panel, is a panel of people. If we were sitting around a table, who are the people that you would trust to make the decision whether you could effectively manage your financial affairs? That's the standard. They're not making healthcare decisions for you. They're just trying to decide whether Bobby or Corey can effectively manage their financial affairs. So yes, we do want a medical component, but oftentimes our clients will have a family component because you just don't wake up one day and have Alzheimer's. And so the timing side of things as well. So it could be a spouse, could be a child, could be a niece, a sister. So it is a panel of people that you've hand selected, and with that standard, if they say you are not now able to manage your financial affairs, then you've personally selected your hand-picked trustees, those people who you trust to manage your checkbook when you can't do it yourself. And then the next critical component, which I find that a lot of people miss, is that they say, okay, you're the person who's going to manage my financial affairs if something happens. Now what, right? So what are they allowed to use the money for? Are they allowed to make improvements to the house? Do you want to stay at home? Are they allowed to hire a home care health agent to take care of you? Or are you going off to the nursing home? And I'm not giving you a blank piece of paper here. We're a big believer at Insight Law that it's easier to edit than to create. And so we use checklists, and we'll go through that counseling process to figure out what options are best for you during a disability. So disability planning, when, who, what, those are the big picture points for that. This has been Bobby Fazy, Insight Law Attorney.